cleaning here. Hello guys, good morning. I forgot. Good morning, welcome guys, welcome to the channel. How are you all doing? Who is not that bright? How are you guys doing? Welcome to the channel. Woo! I forgot that I'm a vlogger. Guys, we are still in the process of cleaning the house. The house is a mess, so we are still cleaning. You can hear the sound. I'm washing clothes. Some of the clothes we wore yesterday and the ones they wore before we came. Like few clothes they wore before we came. I couldn't wash it. So yeah, you guys know now how the travel is. Now I wanted to wash the day we came yesterday, but because we were coming down yesterday, I couldn't wash again. So yeah, this is it. This is us, and we are cleaning up. Just me and one of my security person that came, like Michael, that is helping me to clean up. Guys, the whole house is dirty from up to down. Like everywhere is very, very dirty and messy. So we are cleaning up, and I'm even tired, but I will still keep on doing this. Ooh. I've taken care of the kids, they've bathed, they've eaten and all that. So right now I am cleaning the doors whilst he's mopping the living room, and he has also cleaned my code. Guys, God will bless him for me. If not for him, like he's the one that said he's going to help me. If not for him, like this one and that one and the green one, all of them. If not for him, guys, I would have like I'm already stressed out. What about the other things that he has done for me? What about the other things he has done for me? So yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my phone. Okay, so let me show you what I am doing. So guys, look at it. It's helping me to mop. Like the house is clean now, shining. A lot of work. Michael, thank you. God bless. God bless you. The work no easy. Say now only me do this one, eh? 3 days if I never finish. Chai. Oh, wow. And baby too is disturbing me. Baby is disturbing me. So this is what I am doing. Let me show you. So here I am cleaning the doors. The whole house needs thorough touching, like as if you are packing new. It's as if you are packing new into a new apartment, into a used apartment. So that's what it says. So this is what I am doing. Yesterday, assuming I showed you guys would have seen that there. This house is like, the house was very neat when we left though. I cleaned it the day before we left. I cleaned the house thoroughly the day before we left. A day before we left. I never knew that we were going the next day, sir. So I had to clean up. But after cleaning up, the next day we have to go. So these children are disturbing me. I'll see you guys later. This is the room I cleaned yesterday that we were able to sleep on. So this is the room. I had to pack all our things inside after cleaning here up. I had to pack everything inside, but once I am done, I will have to keep things in order. I want to clean other rooms first. So my kids' room, I've not even touched it. I've not even touched it. But it won't take me time. I will be able to finish it. Then I'll wash their toilet. It's not dirty, so but I'm going to wash it. See, it's not dirty. I told you, like I told you, I cleaned up before leaving. So that is to tell you we have not used this toilet. So that is to tell you that everywhere was so neat before we left. So these are my kids' previous class books. So I brought it out so that I can wash their school bag. I've already washed their school bag and their uniform. They'll be going to school tomorrow. So this is literally what I am doing. It's not easy, guys. It's not really easy. Let's gradually we'll be able to achieve something. Guys, baby is disturbing my sleep. He doesn't want me to finish my work. If not for Michael that helped me, I wouldn't have known where I would have gotten. I'm cleaning the cupboard now. It's just this kitchen and my kids' room that is left to clean, and my kids' room will take some time. That's why come and carry him if he will allow you. Nancy, oh yeah, Nancy, oh yeah, Nancy, oh yeah, Nancy, oh yeah. So guys, I am done. I am done with most of the things. The only thing left is arranging of our clothes, the things we brought, and cleaning my kids' room and my room, washing of the toilet as well. So every other places I am done cleaning it. You want to touch the phone? Okay, good. I am done cleaning it. So let me show you how it's looking like. Like Michael really tried for me. This boy is disturbing me. He has been disturbing me. Today is past 5, so I will leave the rest tomorrow. So guys, so I rewash the plates that we do keep the plates here, this open place, so I have to rewash it. And yeah, I have cleaned my kids' shoes for tomorrow's school. I am like done. Look at everywhere is very neat. I have those clothes that I'm washing, so they've taken the light, so everywhere, the cupboard, everywhere is so neat, well arranged. I am fetching water. The gas is looking good. So look at, everywhere is well arranged. So let me take you guys to the living room. Okay, let me show you. I also wash all the slippers you guys are seeing here. So I just finished washing them. So look at what this room is talking about. These children want to kill me, but they will not succeed. Look at everywhere. It's a mess. It's even more than this, just that I just shouted at them to start packing everything. So yeah, they're arranging it. This is the room we are going to sleep again this night. Before I will clean this place. I will clean this place tomorrow, but I've done cleaning the wardrobe, but I'll be cleaning it tomorrow, then arrange other things inside. My daughter helped me to arrange their shoe inside that wardrobe there. So it's just their room. The toilet does not need much washing. It doesn't need much washing, so I will be cleaning it. And yeah, the living room is neat. So I wash their uniform. I will be ironing it once they bring light in the night or before everywhere is dark. So this is the work Michael did for me. So neat, so neat. Like, I appreciate this good work. I am very happy. I am very happy. So everywhere is looking good. Everywhere is looking neat. Look, I bought the TV stand. My chairs are looking neat. Everywhere is neat. So yeah, even outside, I can't go outside because my baby is here with me. Rain fell, so both outside, he cleaned it for me. Yeah, that is it. Also, he cleaned my fridge. My fridge was so dirty, like so dirty. He cleaned the dining. Okay, I was the one that cleaned the dining, so, and set things in order. He cleaned my freezer. I put this water in there, so look at it, very neat. He cleaned them for me, cleaned it for me, and this other side and those other big parts, so they are cleaned. So that's it. My fridge is cleaned. Everywhere is cleaned. The windows, everywhere is so clean. So yeah. So guys, yeah, I will be doing the rest tomorrow, Thursday. Once they go to school, I will be cleaning the rooms and arranging the clothes, and also wash the toilet once we go to school tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll be doing the other one in another video. So thank you guys, and please give the video a thumbs up. It's not really easy working and also creating videos. So look at their bags. There are 2 bags there. I washed it also today and it's dry already. So see you guys in my next other one. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye. It's not really easy at all. I'm tired. I need to make other hair. I need to make other hair. So let me start. Nobody. This chick comes soon. Hello guys. Good morning. It's another vlog today again. Good morning. Don't mind my body. My baby rubbed me powder. Good morning. How are you guys doing? How are you all doing? Hope you guys are fine. You're welcome to another vlog today again. So this is like the continuation of yesterday vlog of the cleaning up and all that, cleaning the house, keeping everywhere tidy, well kept, and all that, cleaning, dusting, and all that. So yeah, we are still on it. I am still on it. Today is just me that will be doing the work because it's not much. Like I told you in the other vlog, that I just have my kids' room, the fan, the toilet, and clothes that we took, things we took to arrange in place back. So yeah, I just started. I'm sorry I am not showing you guys in details the process and all that. I'm showing you the finished work. I am sorry. This is me trying to just be fast so that I won't take much time. Like now, I want to go and bathe so that I can go to give my baby his 9 months immunization. So baby is already 9 months last week, so we're not around last week. So I'll be going this week, which is today, to go and give him his immunization, his 9 months immunization. So that is what I want to do. But I am done cleaning my kids' room, mopping it and dressing. Let me just show you. Then after now, I will just sweep the house, and that is it for now. Then once I come back, I'll continue from where I stop. So yeah, let me just show you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video And please leave your comment and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support so far. I love you all so much. I love you all so much. So look at what the room is looking like now. You guys remember this place, very dirty. I've not started washing the toilet. This toilet will be once I come back. So their room is clean. I've put a new bed sheet. Everywhere is very neat. Everywhere is very neat. I've cleaned everything. Just once I come back, this will be the last thing. This fan, the parlor own, and my room own will be the last fan I will be cleaning. Like, it will be the last thing basically that I will clean. But for every other things, I'll make sure I finish other things before I clean this fan. So yeah, I'll have to close the door. I'm done with the door. Bed, the room, not the toilet.